Chapter 8 Small Answer. Question 1 What are the basic principles of forecasting with data? The basic principles of forecasting with data include understanding the historical data, identifying patterns and trends, using appropriate statistical or machine learning models, and continuously validating and adjusting the model as new data becomes available. Accurately forecasting also requires assessing the data for seasonality, cycles, and randomness to make informed predictions. Question 2 What are two common techniques used in data forecasting? Two common techniques in data forecasting are time series analysis and regression analysis. Time series analysis is used to predict future values based on previously observed values, often incorporating methods like moving averages, exponential smoothing, or ARIMA models. Regression analysis predicts a dependent variable based on one or more independent variables, helping to understand relationships between variables and forecasting trends. Question 3 How do observational studies contribute to the field of data science, especially in forecasting? Observational studies are crucial in data science for forecasting because they allow researchers to understand real-world behaviors and outcomes without manipulation typical in experimental designs. By analyzing naturally occurring data patterns and relationships, scientists can form hypotheses and build predictive models that are applicable to similar real-world scenarios. Question 4 What is predictive modeling, and how does it differ from traditional forecasting methods? Predictive modeling involves using statistical techniques and machine learning algorithms to predict future outcomes based on historical data. Unlike traditional methods that might rely heavily on simpler statistical methods and focus more on short-term trends, predictive modeling can incorporate complex relationships between variables and is often used for both short-term and long-term predictions across diverse fields. Question 5 Can you provide an example of how forecasting techniques can be applied in a real-world business scenario? In a retail business, forecasting techniques can be applied to predict future product demand, helping to optimize inventory management. By analyzing past sales data, seasonality, and market trends, a predictive model can inform the retailer how much stock to hold, when to order more, and even anticipate changes in consumer preferences, thus reducing costs and increasing sales efficiency.